So guys, kabaw na ta siya. Kabaw na ta sa velocity. Next formula naman is acceleration. So what is acceleration? Acceleration basically ibig sabihin ang iha nga value gapataas ng gapataas or gapadalom kanang in other way kay ga-increase or di kaya naman ga-decrease. So our formula in acceleration is A is equals to final velocity equals to minus initial velocity over time. So ang A mo na siya nga tong acceleration, ang VF mo ng final velocity, ang VI initial velocity, and the T is the time. So for example, word problem is a car increases its velocity from 10 meter per second to 30 meter per second in 5 seconds. So find the acceleration. So mayon na to ang acceleration case from the word na increases. And ang ato ang buhaton since kabaw na ta ang acceleration since next kay ang atong formula. So next kay atong i-identify ang mga given na to . So acceleration kay question mark pa lang na siya kay mo nang atong missing value. Our final velocity which is this 30 meter per second. Kay since ingon man from 10 meter per second to 30 meter per second. So kaning 10 meter per second mo ni siyang initial which is yung start. Walang 30 meter per second is the final. So in here, final velocity is 30 meter per second. Initial velocity is 10 meter per second. And the time which is 5 seconds. Kaya yun naman din sa tong problem is in 5 seconds.